Mirage G4 2026 model ang hanap nyo na naka zero down payment at low down payment tayo. Hi guys, I'm Mark Leon Arpeña from Mitsubishi Gateway, Quezon Ave. So sa Mirage G4 manual transmission is 793,000, then down payment is 18,000. Monthly amortization is 16,595 for 5 years. Then also Mirage G4 GLX automatic, 841,000, zero down payment, 17,599 monthly amortization for 5 years. Then also ang ating top of the line na Mirage G4 GLS, 937,000, down payment is 18,000, monthly amortization is 19,608 for 5 years. Then also guys, itong mga previous natin, pag nag-bail kayo sa akin ng Mirage G4 2026 model. Then ang mga available color natin is cool silver metallic, red metallic, then ang titanium gray metallic. Interesado kayo sa aking offer, message nyo lang ako sa aking contact number, sa aking social media account. And then pwede kayo mag-visit dito sa amin sa 113 Santo Domingo Street, Quezon Avenue. So kita-kita po tayo sa release day.